Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need this SIM eject tool. Now this comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also just grab a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work basically just as well as this. So once you have one of those, what you want to do is pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom right corner of the phone, so right over here. So if I flip it to the side, you can see it. That's right here. And let's plop it in here. As you can see, the pin is holding inside. And from there, all you need to do is just push it in, at which point it will pop out, as you can see. So now, simply grab it, eject the tray, and on here you can insert 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD. Now if you're planning to use 2 different SIM cards, you would basically put one on the SD tray, like this. But if you're planning to use one of each, simply move it over here, and then SD card right here, like so. So once they're both laying on the tray, make sure that you hold them in place, otherwise if you flip it over, they do tend to fall out. So holding it securely in there, you want to gently insert it back into the device. There we go. And there's the SIM card pin. So the SIM card obviously is working, and then SD card is working just as well, which you can see right here. So both of them are working just fine, and that is how you insert both the SIM card and SD into this phone. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.